If you're tired of fumbling with passwords and filling out forms, Google Autofill might catch your attention, but does it really simplify your online experience, or are there hidden pitfalls? Let's dive into the details to find out. Google Autofill is designed to save you time by automatically filling in your passwords, payment information, and addresses across various websites and apps. It's integrated into Google Chrome and Android devices, making it super accessible for anyone already in the Google ecosystem. The user experience is generally smooth. Once set up, it remembers your information and fills it in with just a click. However, it does require you to trust Google with sensitive data, which can be a sticking point for some. The tool is aimed at anyone looking to streamline their online interactions, from casual browsers to people managing multiple accounts. One thing that stands out is how it syncs across devices. If you're logged into your Google account on your phone and laptop, your information is there wherever you go. But there are moments when it feels a bit clunky, especially if you have to manage multiple accounts for the same service. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Google Autofill is incredibly convenient, especially for those who often forget passwords or need to fill out forms quickly. It's free and works seamlessly within the Google ecosystem, which many users already rely on. However, there are some drawbacks. For starters, privacy concerns loom large. Trusting Google with all your sensitive information can be a deal breaker for privacy-conscious individuals. Additionally, it sometimes struggles with autofilling in less common fields or sites, which can be frustrating. It's also worth noting that if you're not deeply embedded in Google's services, you might find better alternatives that cater to specific needs. Overall, while it's a solid tool for many, it might not be the best fit for everyone. In conclusion, Google Autofill is a great option for users already invested in the Google ecosystem who want to simplify their online experience. However, if privacy is a top concern for you, or if you need advanced features, it might be worth exploring alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying, but approach with caution.